Okay, here it goes. Whoa, 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 okay. What on earth just happened? Where is it leaking from? Okay, never mind. This is bad. This is bad. Oh my word, yeah, that's so bad. Something somewhere's very much leaking. Where though? Like, the whole thing is dry. I can't see where the weak point actually is. It's the graphics card. It's this one right here, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's leaking. That's very much leaking. Yeah, that is very much the problem.